Today we are going to see 10 crazily unique cars that really exist. Welcome to Everything Counts. We bring to you the crazy and funny existentials across the globe. If you like our content, give it a like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Number 10. The Peel 550 is a single seat, single cylinder, three wheeled microcar manufactured on early 1960s by the Pearl Engineering Company. It has no reverse gear, but a handle at the rear allows the very lightweight car to be physically turned or lifted when required. In 1960s, it was sold for €200 and in 2019 it was sold for about €6,600. The company produced 50 P50s and only 27 are known to still exist, one of which was sold for a record $176,000. The vehicle has a 50cc engine and recorded 45 km per hour top speed at 54-inch length and 36 inches wide with a weight of 59 kilograms. The P50 holds the record as the smallest car ever go into production. It was listed in 2010 Guinness World Record as the smallest production car ever made. Number 9. Ampiccar 770, manufactured by Quant Group in the early 1960s by the Hans Triple, with a fuel capacity of 50 liters and 171 inches length, 62 inches width, and 60 inches height, and a total weight of 1054 kilograms. The Amphicar could achieve a speed of 7 knots in water and 110 km per hour on land. Later versions of the engine displaced 1296 cc and 1493 cc and produced up to 56 kilowatt power. A total of just 3,700 cars are built. Owner of the company said, "Think of it as the fastest car on the water and fastest boat on the road." Number 8. Telephone car. This phone car is built on a 1975 Volkswagen Beetle chassis model. It has an aluminum body and a tinted windshield which allows the driver to see clearly. It has telephone ring as horn, so instead of honks, the car rings. This car was showcased on documentary film Automorphosis and also placed in Beverly Hills Automotive Museum. This is a art car with comical design and function which is drivable and street legal, and moreover it never fails to bring smiles and laughter wherever it goes. Number 7. Icona Nucleus. It is called as the ultimate self-driving living room. The conceptual car stretches out to 7.2 feet long and 7 feet wide, assuring plenty of living space in the cabin. Up to 6 people can fit comfortably in the car, with one large seat in the front and rear and a small table that can transform them all into a comfortable couch. It rides on a set of massive 26-inch wheels and stands at 5.7 feet high. This car was released in 2018 Geneva International Motor Show for the first time. The nucleus is said to be fully autonomous and has up to level 5, and it lacks any sort of steering wheel, driver's seat, pedals, or dash. It's essentially a mobile living space, says the company. Number 6. Thrust Supersonic Car. Thrust Supersonic Car is a British jet car developed by Richard Noble and Jeremy Bliss. This car holds the world land speed record set on 15th October 1997 when it achieved a speed of 1228 km per hour driven by a British RAF pilot Andy Green. The car is 54 feet long, 12 feet wide and weighs nearly 10 tons. It has two Rolls-Royce Pay 205 turbo engines which produce a whopping 0.1 million horsepower between them, which is equivalent to 3 naval frigates. At the rear end of the craft, the temperatures can go up to 300 degrees Celsius with a maximum sound level of 175 decibels. Number 5. Terrafugia Transition. If you want to get a car and you're very fond of flying, then this car is for you. Yes, this car can really fly and has wings too. It can have one passenger excluding a crew pilot. The total fuel capacity is 87 liters with maximum takeoff weight of 650 kilograms and a wingspan of 26 feet 6 inches. The Terrafugia production prototypes folded dimensions of 6 feet 8 inch high and 7 feet 8 inches wide with wing folded and 18 feet 9 inches long with elevators up are designed to fit within a standard household garage. On the road, it can drive up to 110 kilometers per hour with normal traffic and a cruising flight speed of 172 kilometers per hour. Number 4.
This unique car came from the imagination of Rick Sullivan, the owner of an automobile body shop in Clinton, Illinois. While most innovators would customize their car by adding eye-catching bodywork or increasing its horsepower, he decided to turn it upside down.
A good majority of its parts were borrowed from a 95's Ford F-150. Sullivan and his men were able to finish the project for around 6,000 US dollars. Even the wheels dangling in the air are motorized to spin according to the vehicle's motion, with the license plate on the rear reads flip over. The most interesting fact about the upside down truck is it is road legal. Number 3. Mercedes F015. It is an advanced self-driving autonomous concept car that is built for the future. The F015 made its debut at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. Unlike Icona Nucleus, it is not fully autonomous. It has steering wheel and it's drivable. It has 4 rotating saloon-style seats that allow face-to-face configuration as well as 6 display screens built into the front, rear and side panels forming a 360-degree virtual arena. It is a digital arena that allows passengers to interact with the vehicle through gestures, eye tracking and high-resolution touch screens. It can run for almost 900 kilometers on a mixture of pure electric power and a hydrogen fuel cell, for which the price is expected to be 10 million. Number 2. Ferrari 512S Modulo. It is manufactured by Ferrari in 1970 and designed by Pininfarina as a concept car aka sports car in its tag. The show car debuted at 1970 Geneva Motor Show and has won 22 awards for its design. It has a 5-liter V12 Ferrari 512 engine with 176 inches length and 80 inches width and just 36 inches height. It is a very low height car with a sliding canopy door and a total weight of 900 kilograms, giving it a UFO spaceship look from the outside. It uses the Ferrari 512 engine which develops 550 horsepower to propel the Modulo to a top speed of around 354 km per hour and from 0 to 97 km per hour in just 3 seconds. Before going to number 1, here is the fun question. Answer this question in the comment section and you will get a shout out during the next video. Find a car that has a name of a vegetable. Do share this video to your friends and colleagues who are car lovers. Number 1. Rinspeed Scuba. The Scuba, developed by Swiss company Rinspeed, is the world's first car that can be driven both on land and underwater. The original idea by Rinspeed founder and CEO Frank M. Rinderknecht was inspired by the 1977 James Bond film The Spy Who Loved Me. It is a conceptual car designed and completed in 2008 with 150 inch in length and 76 inch width and 44 inch height. It took a total of 1.5 million to build in the first place. It is powered by its electric rear wheel on land using rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. Upon entering water, it floats on the surface until the operator floods the interior to submerge the water. On water, it is powered by twin electric powered propellers with 2 water jets. It works just like a submarine and not designed to drive along the surface at the bottom of the water. The car's top land speed is 120 km per hour. On the surface of the water, the top speed is 6 km per hour and a maximum of 3 km per hour in underwater.
Okay, that was the video guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. See you next week. Until then, make sure that everything counts.